Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this quick video, I'll show you how to enable developer options on any Android phone, whether it's Samsung, Xiaomi, Vivo or Realme. So let's get started. First, go to your phone settings app. Scroll all the way down and tap on About Phone. On some phones, this may be inside System. Now find build number. In my case, this option is under Software Information option. So here is my build number. When you find your build number, tap it 7 times quickly. You may be asked to enter your lock screen PIN or pattern. As you can see, my developer mode has been enabled. You may get a message saying you are now a developer. Now go back to settings and scroll to the bottom. You'll see a new option called developer options. Inside developer options, you can turn on USB debugging, speed up animations, monitor app behaviors, and test your phone like a pro. But don't change settings you don't understand. Some can affect how your phone works. And that's it. Developer options is now enabled on your Android phone. If this video helped you, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tips, and comment your phone brand. I might make a dedicated video just for it. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.